we want to quickly go to what a frequency polygon is. Whenever we talk about frequency polygon, it simply shows the shape of the distribution. It shows us what the distribution looks like. You can see it, even with the fact that what we have drawn here is just an example, like a random example that I just formed from my head. You will discover that merely looking at it, you already know what the distribution looks like. So a frequency polygon shows the shape of the distribution. They are constructed by either of the following. How do you construct a frequency polygon? You can construct a frequency polygon by joining the midpoint of the bar width in your histogram. That is the midpoint of your bar width in the histogram. If you join the midpoint of the bar width in your histogram, you are going to have what? A frequency polygon. Is that taken? What we mean is this. Let us say we have histogram like this, our x-axis, and this is our y-axis. This is our origin. Let us say we have this as histogram. Don't mind me. Obviously, we know what we'll be having here. The midpoint here of the bar width. If we join everything together, we already have what? This is our frequency and this is our class. The midpoint here, if we join everything together, we are constructing what? A frequency polygon. Can you see? We are not going beyond this. We are coming back here. We are coming back here. We are moving to this point here. So this guy here is a frequency polygon. So let me just call it PG. FG, frequency polygon. Is that taken? So you can also construct it by having your frequency, which is by plotting the frequencies of the classes against their corresponding class mark. Against their corresponding class mark, which is the midpoint of the intervals, and joining the midpoint of the intervals. In case, let us say you have a class that is in a grouped distribution. In group distribution, you'll be having from 0 to 10, from 20 to 30, you understand? Or from, let's say, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 20 to 30. The midpoint would be, let's say we have this. This is the class interval. Let me call it CI. 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. So the midpoint, which is X, will be 1 plus 10 divided by 2. 11 plus 20 divided by 2. 21 plus 30 divided by 2. So the midpoint here will be what? 11, that is 5.5. Are you with me? Our X is 5.5. This will be what? This will be 15.5. And this will be what? Am I making mistake? Is that not 31? 31, yes. And this is what? 25.5. Can you see that? So this is the midpoint. Is that taken? So that is what we are talking about here, the midpoint of the intervals and joining the points together. So when we talk about frequency polygon, this is what we are simply talking about. This is the direct explanation of what a frequency polygon is.